Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Dreambo Sneha. My name is Sneha Pradarshini and I create content on beauty, fashion and often on travel. This video is going to be a Zara summer fashion haul. So without any further ado, let's get started. First I have this short white satin dress and it looks super cute and chic. It has a broad neckline and this looks really beautiful and dainty once you wear it. I also loved its bow style that goes at the back of this dress. Because of its frock style, it has a very beautiful fit. If you have gained some weight or if you are someone like me having a mommy pouch, then this dress will hide it very beautifully and you will still look hourglass. Look at this. I'm already feeling so pretty and so will you after wearing this dress. So what are you waiting for? Just wishlist this dress on Zara app. This dress is perfect for brunch dates, for parties, and if you're planning a summer vacation or any trip, then also this outfit will look great on any of your trip. I mean, you can never go wrong with a white satin dress. It feels very comfortable on skin, and honestly during this hot summer you need something that feels very smooth on your skin. This long satin dress in red color, it kinda look romantic. This is a flowing long v-neck dress with wide straps and it also has this kinda tie that goes on the shoulder. This looks very modern and beautiful once you wear it. This dress also has an asymmetric A-line hem fitting and that's why it gives a very beautiful shape to your body. Even if you have some extra weight on your stomach, it will hide it very beautifully. Now this is a very beautiful shade of red and it will look gorgeous on anyone. You can wear this for parties, for your date, or you can save this for Valentine's Day look next year. I mean, there are many options. Fabric of this outfit feels like butter on my skin. It fits flawlessly and make me feel bold and confident at the same time. I love how gorgeous this piece is and I'll recommend you to get your hands on this satin dress. Next I have another short dress that comes with a bow detailing on the shoulder. For someone who cannot wear a deep neckline, then maybe you can skip this one or you can wear a tube top or a tube bra underneath this dress. I don't know about you, but if I'm doing shopping, then either I have a white dress in my shopping list or I have a beautiful shade of pink in my shopping list. So let me know if you are also someone like this. Also, I forgot a black color outfit is also something that is always in my shopping list. But fortunately or unfortunately, this time I haven't shopped anything in black color. Maybe I have too many of black outfits. That's why this time I skipped on a black color. Let me know in the comment section below if you love a black outfit or a white outfit or a pink color outfit. Which one is your vibe, girl? Or maybe some other color? Coming back to this outfit, it has a very breathable fabric, so it is perfect for summers. It also have lining inside it, so that's great, right? I love viscose shoulder. It has thin straps that gives kind of bow detailing and it looks super cute after you wear it. It has kinda young and chic vibe to it. This dress is perfect for a brunch date with your girlies. Also, this has a very beautiful that Barbie kind of pink look to it. So if you wear it and tie your hair with a bow kind of hairpin, then you will absolutely look like a Barbie. All the outfits that I'm going to show you in this video are something that won't go out of fashion for a very long time. So you can buy it and then you can maybe wear it for like 4, 5 or maybe another 10 years down the line. I mean, it's your call. Next, I have this floral halter dress, which is perfect for summers. This dress has an open back, which says, I got you this hot summer. Now again, because of its voluminous hem, it hides my mommy pouch and makes me feel hot, sexy, and beautiful. Also makes me feel I still got this mommy face. Great dress to consider if you are going for a summer vacation. It has that beautiful combination of white and blue that will look great for a beachy vacation. I think with this dress, I'm sorted for my at least 4 to 5 summer vacations. If you ain't going for a vacation, then you can consider wearing this for a brunch date with your girlies and your girls will be like, you look delicious. And maybe you can tell that I recommended you to get this dress or maybe skip that. I do not care. I just want to make you feel gorgeous and beautiful. अच्छा my girlies, with this video I want to tell you कि मैं भी ना थोड़ी सी फिनिकी हो जाती थी कि ओके अगर मेरा मॉमी पाउच आ जाएगा या मेरी थोड़ी टमी रहेगा तो हाउ आई वुड फील, मतलब would I still feel myself hot, beautiful? But touch wood, I am really enjoying this mom phase of my life and I'm in no rush to get rid of my mommy pouch. In fact, I'm buying outfits that are hiding my mommy pouch flawlessly and I'm still feeling myself that bold and beautiful girl. So yeah, it's all about your perception. And I didn't think कि मैं इतना positive feel करूँगी, but with my body I'm feeling really good and I just want to tell this that I am really okay with my current body. So I have this bodycon dress. Yes, you heard me right, a body hugging bodycon dress, and this one is in floral design. This dress has a sweetheart neckline. Love that dark pink maroonish floral design that this dress has got, and because of this pattern and floral design kinds of take away the eyes of viewer from your tummy. So even if this is a bodycon dress, it doesn't emphasize much on your tummy, and that's why I think this outfit is great if you want to wear a bodycon dress. Also, like all other outfits that I've shown you, this dress is also something that would not go out of fashion for a very long time, so you can keep this in your wardrobe for a long time and still stay fashionable. Now for my last dress, I have this halter neck midi dress. It has a matching fabric detailing, a very simple off-white shade color outfit, and it has stretchable fabric, so I think it is really great option if you want to buy something that lasts you for a long time, no matter how your body is changing with time. Dress would look elegant when matched with matching pair of footwear. It has a very minimalistic vibe to it, so if you are into something like that, then this is for you. This dress will look great with silver jewelries. You can stack up some silver jewelries with this dress and you will gonna look like a stylish diva. Also, you can pair this dress with a denim jacket and just like that it will become a second look of yours. Yes, this dress can be dressed up or dressed down as per the occasion you are wearing this outfit for. So with this, it's an end to my Zara summer fashion haul. Thank you so much for watching this video. Do not forget to give this video a big thumbs up, and in comment section do let me know what outfit you like the most. And let me tell you, in my next video, I'll be coming with a makeup tutorial, very glowy, very appropriate for summer, and it will be very beautiful look for a bridesmaid. So please subscribe to my YouTube channel if you haven't already, and hit that bell icon so that you get notified whenever I post any new video. With that, I'll say bye.